Good morning, Vietnam. Oh, wait, that's a wrong reference. Anyway, looky there, I got a mist system going. This is my new propagation area. I just finished getting it ready yesterday, and what you just witnessed was the mist system coming on for 10 seconds and then shutting off like it's supposed to. It's a really simple system to put together. Uh, we've got quarter-inch drip line, or yeah, quarter-inch tubing going around in a U shape, and in the tubing we've got these little mister heads. They're about a foot apart throughout here, and they seem to do pretty good. I'll have a link to those in the description. As you can see, it's just a PVC hoop house, and I've put shade cloth over it. Let's get this off here. And as you can see, I've got these PVC clips holding the shade cloth in place, and I've used a lot of them. The clips are great. They work really well, and hopefully they're going to hold up to the occasional hurricane force winds we get through here. That's why I'm using so many of them. Usually, you need like 3 or 4 in normal places, but this is a high desert. We get some serious wind. All right, so I mentioned that it comes on for 10 seconds and shuts off. That's accomplished with these 2 timers. All right. This is just a regular irrigation timer. And so I use that to make sure that I'm supplying water to the mister timer just during the parts of the day that I want it to. Right now it's set to come on at 6 a.m. and turn off at 7 p.m. So 13 hours. Kind of got to play with it a little bit. Actual settings are it comes on for 110 minutes every 2 hours. So, there's a couple of times during the day when things just don't sync up right, and that's okay. It'll only miss a misting session once or twice during the day. This is a misting timer, and I've got it set up to come on for 10 seconds every 8 minutes right now. And I'll put links to both of those in the description also. So anyway, I just wanted to show you my little propagation setup. It's for rooting cuttings. Right now, over in the trays, I have Spanish lavender and emerald green arborvitae. It's kind of a big experiment. We'll see what happens. Okay, so that's it for that video. I sure appreciate you coming to watch. If you're a subscriber, thank you, thank you, thank you. If you're not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button down there, and that'll help the channel grow, and it'll help me out a lot. Thank you very much, and I'll see y'all later.